The IQOS is the revolutionary system developed by Philip Morris International, U.S. company leader in the tobacco market, with products sold in over 180 countries outside the United States. According to the forecasts of the president of Philip Morris, by 2050, there will be about 40 million people who will switch to using IQOS. What's this? The IQOS is a device capable of heating specially designed tobacco sticks in order to allow the consumer to take nicotine. Remember that nicotine is the main compound of the tobacco plant, particularly concentrated in its leaves. Nicotine is a psychoactive substance which, through inhalation, reaches the nervous system in a very short time. It causes a strong psychic dependence, to which a more or less strong physical dependence is added. What components is IQOS made of? The IQOS is sold in a kit, inside which there are several components. Holder and its special heating blade inside, made of platinum and ceramic. The blade is able to regulate the heat, thanks to its electrical components. Pocket charger. It is the size of a mobile phone, and has the function of protecting and charging the IQOS holder. Guarantees up to 20 uses without being recharged. The charger is equipped with a side LED panel, which indicates the battery status. Tobacco stick, also called refills for IQOS. They are disposable and are small cigarettes with a length of 3 centimeters, where the filter and the tobacco are located at its ends. The sticks are available in several variations, with differences in terms of taste. One USB cable and a power adapter, used to charge the device. One cleaning accessory. Thanks to its brushes, it is able to thoroughly clean the holder, in order to guarantee perfect functioning of the device. There is also an automatic intelligent cleaning function, which activates every 20 sessions, while the holder is recharging. Cleaning sticks. They can be used together, or as an alternative to the cleaning accessory. You need to make light circular motions to avoid breaking the heating blade. How does IQOS work? The tobacco sticks are inserted into the holder, with the tobacco part facing down to the printed line, being careful not to rotate them, so as not to break the heating blade placed inside. At this point, the holder must be activated by holding down the relevant heating button for a few seconds. The device will vibrate, and the indicator light will start flashing until it reaches the operating temperature. Thanks to IQOS heat control technology, it is possible to monitor the temperature in order to ensure that tobacco combustion never occurs. The IQOS is limited to heating the tobacco to a temperature of 350 degrees, thanks to the platinum and ceramic blade, in order to let the tobacco stick release its aroma. This generates an aerosol, so no smoke and ash. When the green light becomes steady, the device is ready to be used. The duration is about 6 minutes or 14 shots, whichever comes first. When 30 seconds or 2 remaining shots remain, the device will emit another vibration, and the light will turn orange, before the device turns off automatically. At this point, just slide the device cap upwards and extract the stick without rotating it. Then insert the holder into the portable charger with the opening facing up, and then close it again. In the next video, we will go to see the impact of IQOS on health and what differences there are compared to a traditional cigarette and an electronic cigarette.